Hey guys, so there's a new player in the off-road aftermarket industry, and well, they are going to be saddling up the Bronco crowd. Stay tuned. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Russ, and on this channel we talk about Jeeps and all things off-road vehicle-based adventure. Today, we're going to talk a little bit less about Jeeps and more about the Ford Bronco. But first, Jeep things. So recently I picked up a new floor liner called the Armorlite floor liner system for the Jeep JK here behind me. Now, I'm not gonna go through the whole install with you guys because, you know, honestly, some of my really good friends just put out an installation video on theirs. So go check out Down South Off-Road and Outdoor, their channel here on YouTube. They just did the full installation to show you exactly what that's about. There's also a ton of other videos out there on YouTube. They go through the color options, how to install it, the benefits, all that kind of stuff. But there's one thing that's different about my installation than anybody else's that I know. I actually run my lockers from a ARB air compressor underneath the passenger seat. So the way that the airlines are currently ran are through the drain plug. So I'll probably show you how I end up figuring that out in a later video, but that's really the only new Jeep modification that I'm going to be doing anytime soon. I am curious to see if the sound deadening and all that really works. Obviously I love hearing the V8 sound, but right now I've got nothing underneath there. No floor mats, no carpet, nothing. So it is a little tinny and kind of rattly and stuff like that. So I'm expecting there's going to be a little bit of heat reduction and from the floorboard, that is, and then also it should deaden the sound quite a lot because even the carpet is like a 1/4 inch thick, and then these mats are like 1/2 inch thick. So I'll let you know about that. But let's get on to the big news. If you guys have been around this channel for pretty much any length of time at all, you will know that I'm a big fan of Teraflex ever since the first suspension that I put on my Jeep back in 2016. But they hit us with a surprise project that they've been working on for probably the last 1.5 years or ever since the Bronco was first kind of announced and then released. They have decided to come out with a new division, a new company, if you will. The first one they did obviously was Teraflex, and then after that it was that was in the 90s and very Jeep centric. And then they came out probably 2015, 2016 with Falcon shocks, and they have just rocked the industry for Jeeps especially. But also for trucks like the 2500s and Dodge. I mean, they've got a bunch of truck stuff. But now they have been secretly working on a project that they're calling All-Terra, and it's all about the Ford Bronco. It is a very capable rig. I have seen them in person. They are gorgeous to look at, to be honest. I will not drive one. I love my Jeep. But I absolutely have respect for the people that buy them and wheel them and do that kind of stuff. Now, Teraflex, now All-Terra for that division, they've already released a couple of suspension systems and a couple of upgrades, and they're not just for looks either. They are performance upgrades with big, beefy parts, precision tuned as far as each corner of the vehicle. So if you are a Bronco owner, if you wheel your Bronco, or you just want it to look cool, that's fine too. Go and check out All-Terra. They've already got some really cool suspension systems there. But yeah, that shocked me. And I've been so impressed with Teraflex over the years. And if you know me, not only do you know that I like Teraflex a lot, but I have a loyalty to that company because of the fact that both of my axles, I've got a CRD and an HD60, both full float. My HD tie rod, drag link, pretty much my entire suspension. I've got Falcon shocks. I mean, everything, even the wheels. I have the Nomad wheels from Teraflex. So I'm not sponsored by them or anything. That's all my own money that I've spent to purchase Teraflex things. And the reason why is because I know that I'm getting innovation and I'm also getting quality when I buy from them. So if you're a Bronco owner, I would highly suggest you go check it out. And last but not least, Ragnar the Adventure Dog is not in this video. He is actually in my wife's office to give me enough time to make this video for you guys. He is growing super fast. We've had him for almost 2 weeks now. He's about doubled in size already. He's chewing everything in sight, and honestly, I have not had a good night's sleep since we got him, but we're making it work. I have mad respect for the people who take care of puppies or foster puppies and all that for the rescue shelters and all that. I don't know how in the hell you do it, but oh man, I'm really hoping to get him out on the trail soon, at least just by myself or with my wife and I. But before we take him out on rides and things like that, we definitely want to make sure that he is a little bit more grown up, a little bit more well behaved. But we're working on those things with him every single day for at least 3 hours until he tuckers out and finally goes to sleep at like 8 o'clock for a few hours. Now, that's pretty much it on him. He will be in these videos, I promise you that, here in the future. But until next time, until I can get some sleep, I hope you're living life adventurously, and I will see you on the trail.